Hey, how are you? Let's arrive in a comfortable position with an intention just to open your mind to the experiences this meditation may bring to you today. You can close your eyes and just breathing gently in through the nose and out through the nose or mouth. Just allowing your mind and body to settle with each breath. And just notice the cloud of sensations that your body is experiencing right now. The sensations created by breathing, the sensations fluctuating over your skin and through your muscles. And just observe these sensations coming and going all by themselves. And become aware of what sounds can you hear coming and going within your awareness. What can you see on your eyelids that appear and disappear in flashes of color, swirls of patterns, and different shades of light? And can you for a moment draw your attention to your consciousness, your awareness? Can you find its center? Can you become aware of being aware? And can you just rest here as your open awareness, letting whatever appears within it just come and go? Can you just bring into your mind what you are grateful for having in your life right now? And can you get a sense of what changes in your mind and body when you focus on gratitude? Now give yourself a wonderful inner smile and come back to your surroundings. Don't underestimate the power of being able just to observe without judgment, without being attached to whatever appears within your awareness today. Could you just now and then just stop and pause and just be the observer of your experience? I wonder what that will do for you today. Be curious and explore what happens. Thank you for joining me for this little mini meditation today, and I look forward to connecting with you in the very next episode. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.